This is not for the faint-hearted.
Why?
This little chicken of an aeroplane.
Why?
It's a Wildcat.
Wildcat.
I've brought the Wildcat into the chat.
What can you tell me about the Wildcat in the chat?
That it's new.
Without a hat.
It's new.
What's new about
These guys have tried to copy
This doesn't
Tamiya.
look new at all. This looks exactly like it was coming from the Second World War.
Yeah, don't flatter me, Brett. Don't flatter me. I have a way with my words of making things look new. That's right. It is from the Second World War. This is a fighter that was developed to counter the Zero, I believe.
What's the Zero?
Oh, Zero is this one that's burning
Is it?
in the corner here.
That's a bit
It was a naval aircraft flown by the U.S. Army
I
Air Corps.
I would say Americans.
Yes, that's right. The USAF. Yeah. So these flew in the Battle of Midway. They were very popular aircraft developed pre-war and served throughout the war.
Pre-war.
I just want to do like a really quick look into this. It's a newer tooling. You can do folded or extended wings.
I love a big radial engine.
You do, don't you?
I do.
You do. A bit of a power output.
One of my heroes loves radial engines so much that he built one, got one from the scrapyard effectively and put it in his lounge room. Rebuilt it and put it in his lounge room.
Who?
Guy Martin.
Oh, right. Okay. Okay.
It's got a Merlin engine.
That's
Is it?
No, that's an inline.
Well, I don't know.
V12 Merlin.
I'm the wrong man. The radial engine, I don't know what he's got.
Maybe. Either. Oh, well, you got your decals here. You get 4 schemes in the kit. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get masks for your canopy, so you don't have to go and buy some dodgy masks from some third party.
Why would they have 4 schemes?
So that you can have a bit of choice. That's because we know people in this day and age love a bit of choice. Love switching it up every now and then. Just giving it some punch.
I choose you.
Oh, you choose me? Pikachu?
I choose life.
Well, that Kawa can bring in... Was Kawa good?
Car was great.
Did you have a look at that big thing?
Yeah.
Did you guys psycho for her psycho?
Yeah. And
Cool.
she gave us an update on her Model Expo entry.
Oh, God.
And their hair. She's loving it.
Oh, she's not going to finish any of them. Money on it. Seatbelts, instructions, color diagrams. It's all here in the box. 1/48 scale, might I just quickly add. 1/48 scale kit. So it's going to build up to be quite a regular scale.
For
you can chuck the
regular
waters.
scale for a regular guy.
There you go. In store now. Academy also came out with the Zero. So you can build both.
It's a
You can-
Mitsubishi.
That's right. Mitsubishi. They don't make them anymore. I asked. They said, piss off.
Well, they even stopped making cars here in Australia.
Well, they did. I asked if I could get one straight from Japan, but
Why?
they said there's a bit of history with us trying to fly them into Australia, and we can't anymore. We'd give you a Betty bomber if we could, but we'll just drop a bomb on Darwin. Relive 1941 all over again.
You don't know, man. You weren't there.
Speaking of something that Australia is getting, UH-60M Blackhawks.
How old are Blackhawks?
They're so old. They're from like the 70s.
And we've still got our order in.
Yeah. Well, no, this is a newer version. Updated avionics. It's all new.
They put
It's not
computers in it now.
They did. It's not fly-by-wire
It's key
anymore.
start now. You don't have to hand start it anymore.
It's a button start.
Is it?
Yeah, button start. They've even updated from that.
Keyless entry.
Sotkorsky is a Ukrainian.
Is it?
I think so. Anyway,
Claiming it as one of your own.
one of my own. That's right. UH-60, newer tool by Academy, comes with RAAF decals because we are in fact getting these. Our European Tigers and whatnot were atrocious. They didn't last very long. So we bought these and they're on their way with the Apaches if we don't already have these. I think
we've already got Apaches.
this is in... Oh, no, they're coming in November. I asked it. The Avalon. They told me we're getting our first 3 in November.
Biggles told you.
That's right. That's right.
And
Biggles.
you'll be the first one to have a flight.
That's right. I'm going to be on top of the rotors. I just want to point out,
Yeah,
go
point it out.
auto,
Let's go overhead town.
1/35th scale. For anyone who's watching this, it's a 35th scale model. So it works well with...
Yep.
Is that going to work? There we go. It works well with your tanks. So you can do a diorama with this thing lifting a car or a tank or anything in 35th scale, have it on the ground with 35th scale figures. All armor will be compatible with this kit.
35th scale is pretty chunky.
And let's have a look at how big this thing
How
is.
chunky is it? How big is the fuselage?
Well,
You could use the fuselage as a whacking stick.
I don't want to say anything, but that's my arm. Whoa, that's pretty deep.
That's in.
That's it. How big is that?
14 inches.
I reckon, yeah, just over a foot. So
Well, that's an arm.
well, I can get my shoe out if you want. There you go. And we've gassed each other out.
There you go.
There you go. Lots of parts, lots of parts, lots of parts, lots of parts. Decals, not cartograph, I don't think. Cross Delta. You got a lot of the stencils and numbers and kangaroos for Aussie. All of the different battalions in the United States Air Force and Army. There you go. This would be our designation, A60001.
How do you know that?
I just do, mate. I just do.
You're
Done.
connected.
I am. I'm well connected. 5 schemes in this one. It beat the Wildcat.
Because, well, why would you have 4? That's ridiculous.
Why not? And then
Not
this one's got all the yellow on it. I think Ukraine have these now, so you could possibly paint it up blue and yellow.
Claiming it as your own again.
There you go. I can't stop.
No.
Don't stop.
Don't.
Red Hot Chili Peppers said it best. This is for cold.